All right, Chamath, we don't have that much time left. Let's talk rocket ships. First, Bitcoin. That falls into that category because that's what that is. 39,000. Where's it going?
I mean, can you play the clip in 2012 and 13 when it was at 200 and everybody was laughing at me on CNBC every time I would talk about Bitcoin? Where is it going? It's probably going to 100, then 150, then 200,000. In what period? I don't know. 5 years, 10 years, but it's going there. And the reason is because every time you see all of this stuff happening, it just reminds you that, wow, our leaders are not as trustworthy and reliable as they used to be. And so just in case, we really do need to have some kind of, insurance we can keep under our pillow that gives us some access to an uncorrelated hedge. And it's going to eventually transition to something much more important. But for right now, you're just getting all these data points that prove this thing. It's just the fabric of society is frayed. And until we figure out how to make it better, it's time to just have a little schmuck insurance on the side, and everybody's running in. It's just an incredible thing. I could never have imagined it.
Good to be a schmuck, I guess, if you got in early and it goes to where you think it's going to go. The other rocket I want to talk to you about, and I know people are interested in this, Virgin Galactic, the company, maybe it was your first SPAC deal. I think it was. You sold a fair amount of that, 38% or so, 40% around there. Why?
No, it was less than that. I sold a portion, 3.8 million shares of just the PIPE, my overall holdings. And it was literally just to make sure that I had the right liquidity to do all the things that I planned to do in 2021. But I really believe in that business. It's an incredible team. It's an incredible product. I think the way that they're thinking about it, our CEO, Michael Colglazer, is just so impressive. One of the top executives from Disney that we were able to lure over. The team he's building is amazing. I'm really, really excited about that business, and I'm just really proud to be around him.
I ask you because some people took that sale as maybe a lack of going to go. I'm sure you understand that.
Yeah, I mean, look, at the end of the day, if and when, I think it's probably more when than if, I have 10 times the capital that I do now, I'll be able to manage my liquidity in a different way. But, at the end of the day, I'm trying to move a lot of balls forward. I'm making multiple billions of dollars of investments this year into climate change. I'm going to try something really disruptive in student loans. And all of that takes money. And so, I just have to be able to manage everything in my infrastructure to make sure that I can do all of these things. And that's what it was.
You tell us about your next big thing when you're ready. It's good having you as always. You be well. Happy New Year. We'll see you soon.